What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen for free. First thing you need to do, you need to go to obsproject.com and I will put link in the description below. And then I'm going to be downloading for Windows because I'm using Windows 10 and you can use for Mac or Linux. I'll click on Windows and I'm going to click Save. Once it's finished downloading, we can click on Open Folder, or we can go into Downloads folder. I'm gonna click on Open Folder, and this is the installer. I'm gonna double click on it, and then I'm gonna go through Initial Setup. If your system is missing Runtime Component, we need to install that. I'm gonna click Yes in this pop-up box. It's gonna take me to this page, and we will have to download, we'll have to click on this link and download this executable. I'm gonna click Save. I'm gonna open folder again. This is the one we just downloaded. Double click on it and go through the setup. Click Agree and then Install. Then Yes. Once it's successfully installed, we can close and we can restart the OBS installation. Then click Yes. Then Next. Agree. I'm gonna leave default settings. Next. I'm not gonna check this for now. I'm just gonna leave everything as default and I'll click Install. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna click Finish and it's gonna launch OBS Studio. Right here in this pop-up box, you can click Yes, but I'm not gonna go through the auto configuration wizard. I can do this later. I'm gonna click No and OK. Under this source, we need to add what we're trying to do. We need to click on a plus sign, and right here there's a bunch of options. So if you would like to window capture, this is basically just gonna capture the window that you have that is open. You can do that, or you can click on a plus sign and you can do display capture. Like for example, the way I'm recording this video, I'm capturing the display. So I'm gonna click display capture. I'm gonna click OK. And right here, this is the display that I'm using, 1920 by 1080. And I'm gonna click OK. And also right here, we need to go into the settings. And under the settings, we need to click on the video. And we need to make sure our base resolution is 1080. And our output is not 720, but it's 1080. I mean, you can leave it at 720 if you would like to have reduced resolution, but I would like it to keep at 1080. And that's basically it. Click Apply and then click OK. And now this is basically going to be capturing our entire display. Okay, and now we can click on Start Recording. We can minimize OBS Studio. And for example, we can go to Google and let's say we're working on some kind of project or making some kind of tutorial, just like I'm doing it right now. And once we get done, we can minimize this and we need to open OBS Studio again and we need to click on Stop Recording. Okay, and now what we need to do, we need to go to Files and we need to click on Remux Recording. We need to click on three dots. This is the file that we just recorded. This is not MP4 format. This is a FLV format. So we need to convert into MP4. So we click on this file and then click Open and then click Remux. Okay, recording is Remux and then you click OK. You can close and you can close OBS Studio. And if we go to File Explorer and if we go to Videos, this is the file that we just recorded it and it's already in MP4 format. So if you double click on it, it will play in MP4 format. So this is basically what we just recorded and this is recorded in 1080p. If we go to Properties, Details, right here, 1920 by 1080. So this is basically it. That's what you need. You need just the OBS Studio to capture or record your screen for free, and it's very easy to use. Once again, thanks for watching.